Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets step by step. Pivot tables help you summarize and analyze data quickly without using complex formulas. So let's get started. Here I have a spreadsheet containing student ID, name, gender, age, math, science, English, and average scores. First, select the entire dataset, including the column headers. Next, click on Insert in the top menu and select Pivot Table. Choose New Sheet and click Create. Google Sheets will create a blank pivot table and open the Pivot Table editor on the right side. Let's start by analyzing the average performance by gender. Under Rows, click Add and select Gender. Now, under Values, click Add and choose Average. Make sure the calculation is set to Summarize by Average. Instantly, Google Sheets displays the average score for male and female students. In this example, you can quickly compare how each group performed overall. Now let's create another summary. Remove the average field if needed, and add math under values. The pivot table now calculates the average math score for male and female students. You can repeat the same process for science or English scores. You can also add age under rows to see performance grouped by age. Pivot tables make it easy to find trends and insights in your data with just a few clicks. And that's it. You've successfully created a pivot table in Google Sheets using student data. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.